Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of spring break. So we're gonna leave in like 15 minutes. Before we leave, I'm gonna show you guys my OOTD for today. So let's go. Okay, so first I'm wearing this green t-shirt. And it's like a knot in the front, and then my jeans are from Abercrombie. They're from Abercrombie, I think.
This shirt's from Target. These pants are Nike. And my hair is from my body.
And I also just put my hair up because we're going bowling today, and I don't want my hair to be in my face while I'm bowling. All right, guys, so we're driving to the bowling alley where we're going. We haven't gone to this bowling alley yet. I don't know if we have, but Molly and Sydney are meeting up there with us. The squad. We just got to the bowling alley, and we got our bowling. I got my bowling shoes. Sydney, we're gonna wait till Sid gets here, and then we're gonna start bowling. Fun. We got our bowling shoes on. Sid just got here, and we're gonna get bowling. So fun. Yes, Molly. Yeah. So we're starting a new game right now, as you can see. Molly's going, and we have a half an hour until our bowling time ends. So we're gonna bowl for another half hour. We finished both of our games. I'm gonna show you guys the scores. Okay, so we got I got second place, Molly won, Sydney got third place, and Sid got fourth place. So that's basically our bowling day. So, oh my god, the sun. But we're driving home from Jersey Lanes, and we're gonna get Starbucks. Yes. We've gotten Starbucks all the time this week. No, last week. Yeah, technically last week. So we'll see you guys when we're there, and we're with everybody. We are at Starbucks, and we are about to order our orders.
Yeah, I'm getting a venti pink chicken.
So, yeah. We all got our Starbucks. Yay, baby.
It's okay.
Alright guys, my hair looks crazy. I'm sorry, but I might end spring break, all my spring break vlogs right here. Today was the last day. Thank you guys so much for watching all my spring break vlogs, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification bell on so you get notified every time I post a brand new video, and there will be many more uploads coming up soon. Bye, thanks for watching.